Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is part 3 of my Space NK Advent Calendar review, product reviews. So I'm going to show you what I got from day 17 to day 25 and tell you what I think about the products. So day 17, I have part 1 and part 2, and I'll put those in the description if you'd like to. If you haven't seen those yet, you can go watch them as well. This is from Paula's Choice, and this is a full size. They sent a book with the calendar, and the prices are not in here, but it'll tell you what's full size. And this is Paula's Choice Boost 10% azelaic acid booster with licorice and salicylic acid. So that's what this looks like, and this is $52. This is specially formulated with azelaic and salicylic acids. This lightweight cream works to reduce the appearance of blemishes, bumps, and redness. So of course there's going to be something like this in an advent calendar. There's going to be for all skin types in an advent calendar. But I would never use this because I don't have blemishes. So I will be passing this on to someone. I have heard before that Paula's Choice is an excellent skincare brand. So $52 for this tube, full size tube. It is 30 mLs, 1 fluid ounce. So that is a expensive item. So I won't be using it though. And then we have Milk Makeup. And I know a lot of people like Milk Makeup, but I don't have a big experience with Milk Makeup, and I don't really care for what I have had from them. I don't like their mascara, and I don't. I do like. Sometimes we get these little tubes that are a multi, for blush, for lips, and that type of thing. Those are fine. But not my favorite kind of thing. I don't use it. It's creamy, so I don't really use it for blush, and I would use it on my lips is all about it. So, but this is a $26 product. This is the Hydro Grip Setting Spray. Dual phase setting spray will help keep makeup in place for up to 12 hours. It's very beautiful packaging. You can see that beautiful turquoise color going on there. And this is what it looks like. It is, let me see, where does it say? Well, the ounces on here is 50 ml, 1.69 fluid ounces. So this is, if you can see, you might be able to see that it has like this oil in here, and then it has this liquid here. And what you do is you shake it, and there you go. It's beautiful. And this is not full size. This is not full size, but it is valued at $26. Did I tell you it's 50 ml, 1.69 fluid ounces? But it, yeah, you shake it real good. I am not one that uses setting sprays very much, but it does sound very good to last your 12 hours to keep your makeup on. I don't know that I'll use it. It's very beautiful. It's pretty on a dresser, but I don't know that I'll use it, y'all. So I just don't use a lot of setting sprays. So there you have it. And plus I have this next up. Next up is the Tatcha. This is a really bougie product line, and I love it. And I haven't had a chance to have much of it. This is a full size, and this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and it's $62.50. And I want you to see how it's packaged. If you didn't see from the advent calendar, it is sort of plain, the box, but the outside of the box. Then when you open it up, look at how pretty that is in there, and you pull this ribbon, and there it is. And look at how beautiful that is. So there are instructions in there. There's a little instruction manual, or a little, tell you about the name or whatever. I mean the family of products. And this is it. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, just It's hard to throw packaging like that out. It is sealed. I haven't tried it yet. I can't not try it. Oh, the seal is nice because, oh, well, I just spoke too soon. Mostly the sticky stuff, well, I was going to say the sticky stuff is coming off of it. I mean, you know, some things you can't get off and then it ruins the bottle. That's sort of what it's doing here. It's leaving some residue. Let me just see if I take it off. Okay. So there we go. That came off nicely. Pretty much. It's luminous. It looks like milk. Can you see it in there? Look at how gorgeous it is. Beautiful. Tatcha's, you know, signature color is purple. It is Camille. If you can see how gorgeous that is, look at how pretty that is. See some of that stuck on there. Just beautiful to look at, and let's just see. I would normally pass something like this on, but I can't. It's Tatcha. I can't. Let's see what it does or what it looks like, or I don't know. It'd probably take a couple of spritz to prime it. I don't know. Did you see anything? I can feel it. It doesn't taste good. So it's very, very, very fine mist. I don't know what it looked like because my eyes were closed. So you'll have to tell me. But it's gorgeous, and I have to keep it because it's gorgeous and it's Tatcha. So, and the packaging, y'all. Anyway, day 20 is the JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum. And this is a $29 value. This helps protect hair from heat damage and visibly reduce split ends with this gorgeous hair serum. Now, when I show you this, I don't remember this from the advent calendar, probably because I was too excited about things. But there is some damage to this. Just, you see that tin lid is a little smashed in. It's not enough to cause any big damage, but this is a beautiful glass jar, and there's no seal. I was surprised there's no seal. It smells, so it's just a really rich looking cream, and it smells a little lemony. I love the way it smells. It smells really good. But it's a heavy cream, and I was reading the directions, and what this is supposed to do is to help your hair with heat. It says, we see glorious hair in your future. Distribute through damp hair to protect against heat damage. Hair will look and feel so silky serene, you'll ask it for its meditation secrets. So I have sprays, I have goops, I have moisturizers and things like that I'll put in my hair before I blow dry it for the heat. And this just looks like it would be way too heavy for my hair. I could be wrong, but I have so many other products that I probably won't use it. Look how cute that box is too. So, you know, just saying, I'll probably end up putting this in a future giveaway or passing it on to a friend that likes hair care, or that, you know, so that's what I'll most likely do with it. Day, what's next? Oh, day 21 had 2 items in it. And it is, we have the Malin and Goats, however you say that. This is the Vitamin B Body Moisturizer. And this is not full size. Now, it's funny because this is 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. And so is the Paula's, you know, same size. But this is a deluxe sample, and this is a full size. So this is valued at $14. It's a body moisturizer, vitamin B5. I have several other that I'm using right now. In fact, one from the calendar that I really am liking that I showed you the other day. So I haven't started using this. It's in a metal tube. It says this lightweight formula sinks effortlessly into the skin and provides deep moisturizing action to leave skin feeling instantly soft. So maybe I'll use it in the future. Not sure. The second item for day 21 is this Skin Hero. This is by Erborian, E-R-B-O-R-I-A-N. Skin Hero Bare Skin Perfector, and this is $25. And it really sounds to me like a primer. It says your skin but better. This non-tinted skin perfector uses K-beauty technology to smooth, blur, and enhance the appearance of bare skin. It does say on the package that it comes in a box. I didn't show you that. It does say on the package that your skin will start to appear better after using this for a few days. So 7-day transformation. So if it's a primer, I don't know how it's gonna, I guess because a primer sits on your face for a while, it's like a moisturizer. Anyway, so day 22 was my favorite product. And this is full size, and it is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I love this. This is my favorite cleanser of all time. This is it. This is full size. It's $49.50. It is 4 ounces, 120 mLs. And it just is delightful. It's very lightweight. It's very mild. It's goat milk, and it does not foam. It doesn't cause bubbles or anything. It's super nice. Super nice for your skin. That's all I can say. It's fantastic. I love it. It has a very mild scent. I really adore it. My favorite cleanser of all time. Then we have day 23 is Medicate. So this is MEDIK with the number 8. And you can see I have had several of these. In fact, one is in one of the giveaway boxes. This is the Crystal Retinol 6, $54 value. I'm using it. And I also got this in Allure, I believe. I got it in a few different places recently, and I really like it. This is also 30 mLs, 1 fluid ounce. It is very nice. It has a pump on it. So I pump one pump, and it covers my whole face, and it isn't lasting long. So, you know, some moisturizers last you forever. This one is not one of them. So it says use it as part of your evening skincare routine to help soften and smooth skin, allowing it to waken refreshed and radiant. So I am liking this very, very much. Day 24 is the Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream. And this is a full size, but there are several different sizes of this cream. So this one is $92. There is a bigger bottle. And so this is like the smallest full size, or however you want to call it. It's not a sample size, in other words. It's the Rich Cream. It is, I'm using it also. It's heavy. I'm using it because it's expensive, and I got it, and I wanted to try it. I've had little samples of it that is, usually it's just separated, water and some heavy cream. So this is nice because it's not separated. It's absolutely gorgeous, the bottle. Look at, it's glass, and you can see all that gorgeous blue. And then here is the lid. It's gorgeous. And I'm using it, and do I, you know, how, I don't know. I've been using it a short time, really. So, but it's thick. It is rich. And I guess I like it, but it's not anything phenomenal. It's not $92 worth for me. I would never pay for it. Let's put it that way. And then day 25 was the candle. The Boy Smells brand. This is the, I don't know how to say it. Some of y'all told me how to say it, but I don't remember. The Hinai Phantom. And this is it. And my nose is really getting stuffy from this being close to me. It is a glass, that it's in glass jar. I don't know what you want to call it. It doesn't have a lid. It smells very masculine. It says that it is infused with a sense of smoky Japanese cypress and jasmine petals. This sultry candle includes notes of resin, hinai, cardamom, jasmine, moss, and guaiac. It smells like you're at a bonfire. It is very, I like it, but I don't think I will keep it because it's bothering me too much. I may be coming down with something, I don't know. But that is the end of the calendar. So I have 3 videos now that are showing you or giving my reviews on all of the products. I haven't used some of them, but I tell you that when that comes up. And so that's it, y'all. It was a phenomenal calendar. I couldn't be happier with it. I've seen the calendar for a few years, and this was the best year yet. The best year yet. It was valued at over $1,300, And it had, I did it one time, know how, it had 38, well not 30, did it have, I forget now how many products it had. It had many full-size products, maybe 19 full-size products. I don't remember. But when I first show it, I tell you all that. So if I remember, I'll put that video below too. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye. Have a good weekend.